In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix can't open this item. It might have been removed, renamed, or deleted. So let's get started. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type regedit. Click on registry editor under the best match. Now here we have the location, computer, HK, current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, file, extensions, and then under file extensions, you have to look for the extension. Okay, so this is the file extension. Do not worry, the path will be shared in the description section of this video. So once you find the file extensions right here, click on the arrow to expand. So here you have to look for the extension .ink. Okay, so since I don't have the extension from here, .ink, okay, it's .ink. Click on the arrow to expand. So if this is .ink, click on the arrow to expand and locate the user choice folder. Make a right click and then select delete. Okay, so you have to delete the user choice folder under the extension .ink. Okay, that is the first method. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can produce more videos and tutorials for you. Next method is using this system file checker scan. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on run as administrator on the right pane. Type sfc space / scan now. SFC space / scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. Hit enter. Wait for the process to be done. This might take a while. So once this is completed, restart your Windows once and then that's it. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.